It's upside down. I love how Justin puts this tape on. So you know your Gemini's from his campaign. But this tape and me are about to fall out. Because it does not come off easily. Excuse me, because I'm doing this 100. I just don't have the patience to get into this. Honestly, that's not too bad, is it? Oh, this is like... Oh, there we are. Right. Let's get the book out. Oh. I have his handwriting. Should he become mega famous? I chose Dillard's Colour because I love horror. And I don't think I have anything with Dillard's art yet. Well, I do now. Okay. So that's comic. Excuse the close up. Ouch, take yourself in the face. It's in a lovely bag. Oh, there's my smokes of fox child, which the pencil doesn't want to get off. So I'll just show you with the pencil. Get off it. Smokes of fox. Lovely card. I shall probably frame. And then this little photo bar is in the back as well. Yeah. Shall we open it? Let you enjoy the British weather for a minute. This is typical British weather. Sometimes we have sun. Other times it pees it down. Ooh. So that was a dry part step. So I can show you inside. Seems to be this fan art section at the back. The art is incredible. Look at that. These are all the people. Faded part. Oh, interiors by John Dillard as well. I not remember this? Ooh, Apex with Dark Angel, Marcus Kilgrave, Elliot Rodriguez, Apex again. I have Jake Rigger. Jake Rigger's drawing a Dark Angel. Some Brett Barkley fan art. Turn the page. Fan art by Stray Beans. This fan art with the Shadowhawk there. Hopefully Omar will be making his own comic sometime soon. Very talented artist. Can't turn the page. Oh look, it says HV on his muscle. Huh? Oh dear, I am not even going to try and say that name. Who's this one? Michael Thoreau? That is penciled on, folks. I really like Justin as a creator because normally he only ships in America to addresses in America, but on 2 occasions now he's made it possible for it to be shipped to the UK where I am, and a creator that really cares about his backers and wants people to have to back it or want to back it no matter where they are. He's a creator that's trustworthy, he's kind, he gets your comic to you in a good time. I can't say enough good things about Belmont Press, aka Justin Belmont. If you see his name anywhere on social media, Belmont Press, go check out his stuff, go check out his books, talk to him about what might be upcoming. I think it's on from my comic. He's got another campaign live related to this where you can get a 3D printed HB pencil character dude. Yeah, go back him, share his campaign links, and enjoy a great comic. Thank you. Bye.